Turning on the water. So Katie went to Micail's house, and I'm gonna go take a trip to the DI, see if I can find any sweet finds like I did last week. What'd you get?
So it's just long, it takes a long time for those too, so you could have one.
That looks
Not for
delicious.
you. Oh, I'm sorry. We love American lice. This is our last hurrah, huh? Here, Cooper, do you want a cheese kebab?
Oh, he's drooling all over the place,
I'm
man.
not gonna give this to you.
Okay, so today's big project was to get my closet cleaned out. Kate and I each have a closet in our spare room for our hobbies. So mine has some of like Cooper's clothes in it for when he's older, and then it also has a lot of fabric. So I finally got this organized. Today I made some fun stuff. I made these cute pillows, and then I made this little valance out of the same material. So that was fun. And then I also but put this up yesterday. I came home, I was kind of acting grumpy, and then I came back here. And of course Cade set this up because he is the master of surprises. A new desk from the DI and this chair. Then he also uploaded, oh there it is, Adobe. There's Photoshop, there's Illustrator. This is Illustrator because I love working with Illustrator. So I'm really excited, and it was so sweet of Cade to think of me and my needs and then kind of trick me. But it made for a funny moment, and then I felt really bad for being grumpy and just really feeling like I have a very sweet husband who thinks of me and my needs. So that's a wrap for today.
Now we stayed up talking for
On to Salt Lake to pick up the Smiths.
Yes.
We think Christy just got a job. It's because she's so smart in her classes.
Wait, sorry, say that again. So I graduate May 7th. Thank you so much. Okay, bye-bye.
Kristin!
Got the job!
That was so cool.
Down in Salt Lake, then?
Yeah.
In the OR.
Yeah.
So you're moving to Salt Lake.
Yes, sir.
That was so fast. You
Wow,
had the
what?
interview
What
yesterday.
later, yeah. But she said, she was like, I'm gonna push this right on through. And the recruiter knows that, so.
So exciting. Go, 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 Traci. Oh, hi, Kaya. Oh, my goodness. This is so fun.
Hi, how are you doing? Good to see ya. Welcome to Utah.
Oh, just wants to be with Grandma. Yeah. Oh, that's pretty cute. Are you guys friends? Oh, he's got red hair. it looks like.
Have fun. Back to Texas.
You're as big as
Yeah, we're not staying.
holy cow.
That's so fun!
Been doing M&Ms for potty treats for Kaya. So she went potty at the airport in Denver. She was like, I have to have some M&Ms. And I was like, we left them at home. And she was like, it's okay, we can go back. I want to get on the plane and go back to Texas. And she's like, no, we'll take the car.
She's got this thing figured out.
This is Cooper.
Yeah, he did. He likes you.
Hey, Dagger, over here.
Tagger, you're a big boy. This is the first time we've ever met Tagger. Oh, are you
Well, let's go. Let's go find your bags.
Oh boy, how's it going? How's Grandpa's coals? Okay, let's stand up. Let's stand up.
Woohoo!
Yeah.
Spin around in it.
This is for Maci.
Woohoo! Grandpa and Macy.
What a great wrapping job.
For Grandpa. Is there one for Grandpa in that box too?
No. Isn't that okay? I can't open it.
It's not your birthday, sweetie.
How about if she just helps one at end?
Oh, big Macy.
Awesome.
That's so pretty! Wow!
Yeah, you're welcome.
That's so fun.
Come on in! Right when Cooper's crying.
Yeah, I'm glad he's
What's up? We smell like smokers. We just got back
There
from
you
a
did.
campfire. Did we stink? Come on in. We're giving Cooper a bath right now.
It looks so easy when you're watching it, but it's so hard to hold your breath when you're swimming.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a cool shot right there when it's like dark around you. It just looks like you're on the bottom of the ocean. That had already kind of. And so the bottom, you couldn't see the bottom of the sun's
So it is super stormy right now, but we decided to go on a random adventure.
Way random.
We're going to Promontory Point, Utah. And it's really stormy, so we'll see how it goes.
We also listened to the Youth by Youth Shoot Shoshone Navajo. The Indian tribes of Utah that lived here long ago. Wasatch, Washington, and Weaver, San Juan, Salt Lake, Wayne, Jones.
Where are the trains?
Oh.
We're in the train house.
Well, are they coming out?
I don't think so. Don't they only bring them out for like the festival?
This 1903 silent film produced by Thomas Edison was one of the first motion pictures ever made. Mr. Edison used his machinists and factory workers as actors and introduced Max Bronco Billy Anderson, who soon became the first Western film star.
The originals were scrapped right around 1903, 1906. They did not think about, well, maybe we should save these because one day someone will want to see them again. They were working engines. Right after the ceremony, they went right back to work. And when they no longer were of any use to them, they just sold them for scrap and got about $1,000. So,
That's cool, they've done that. And you're like, oh, okay.
Cylinder. He did what in his cup?
Wait, what's that?
Cars.
Where's the golden spike? That ain't no spike.
It's just today.
Sorry, I'm really not that flaky.
Haddie? Nice to meet you guys. How was your trip? Good.
There's no one.
Girls want to touch him?
The eggs got only 6 chickens. Or we bought 6 and hatched 6. Oh, cool.
What? I didn't know that.
What?
Their first kiss was after the rodeo when they came with us when we went to the rodeo box other kind of thing.
So Dianne has an art degree. We went away.
Except their toes are.
Oh, do they peck at you?
No.
Hey.
So where you guys, you're gonna live in Idaho Falls?
Did you turn it on?
Power's out at church.
But we're still having church. Some churches were canceled in Utah, in Harris Church, but not ours. Just going in the dark.